Exercise 5. Using CAN cycle, create a part program for drilling, tapping, counter, sinking and produce component in the machine. In this video, we will see the programming of countersinking operation. The countersinking operation is the second operation after the drilling of 5 mm hole at the center. What is countersinking? Countersink is the type of drilling machine operation. Countersink is done to enlarge the top portion of a hole to give it a conical shape. The main purpose of the countersink is top of the conical type sheet of the screw is set correctly. A countersink is a cone-like hole cut into an object so that the head of a screw, bolt or nail is flush to the surface. The tool used to cut countersinks also is referred to as a countersink. Countersinking can be a very beneficial procedure because it removes any sharp edges caused by screw, bolt or nail heads protruding from the surface of an object. The chamfer angles of a countersink can vary, depending on the tool being used or the chamfer angle of the screw or bolt. Typically, chamfer angles are either 60, 82, 90, 100, 110 or 120 degrees. Let's see how to calculate countersink depth. The countersink tool major diameter is 8 mm and chamfer angle is 90 degrees, which is added in the tool library. The pilot hole diameter is 5 mm. The following formula is used to calculate countersink depth. Please find the depth calculation of countersink depth. The countersink depth is 4 mm. Let's continue the part program after the 5 mm. Drilling operation. M00 is program stop or pause to verify the holes are machined correctly. Also, to remove any burrs, change the tool to countersink by M06 command. The tool number is 2. Turn on the spindle by M03 and RPM is 1500. Position the countersink tool in rapid traverse X0 and Y0. First, then move the tool down to 5 mm above from the top surface of the workpiece. Let's add G82 spot drilling cycle in the part program. What is G82 spot drilling cycle? G82 is a drilling cycle that doesn't peck, but instead dwells at the bottom of the hole. This increases the accuracy of the hole depth. It is necessary to hold or pause for few seconds the cutter drill at the end of the hole to obtain smooth surface finish. Once the drill reaches the bottom of hole and has finished dwelling, retraction is at rapid speeds. G82 spot drilling cycle parameters. G82 spot drill CAN cycle. X is the coordinate of hole. Y is the coordinate of hole. Z is total depth of hole. R is the position of the R plane. P is the dwell time at the bottom of the hole in milliseconds. F is the feed rate. Let's add G82 spot drilling cycle in the part program. G98 is returned to initial point. X0 is the coordinate of hole. Y0 is the coordinate of hole. Z-4 mm is total depth of hole, which is calculated by using formula previously. R0 is the position of the R plane. P1000 is the dwell time at the bottom of the hole in milliseconds. F50 is the feed rate. G80 is cancel the CAN cycle activation. Stop the spindle by M05. Reference the machine. Stop the program execution by M30. Save the part program and verify the simulation. In the next video, we are going to see tapping operation.